Welcome to Gemini Code Assist, the latest innovation from Google. Software developers and tech enthusiasts, get ready to be amazed, because by the end of this video, you'll discover mind-blowing AI-powered development secrets you never knew existed. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. Gemini Code Assist seamlessly integrates with your favorite IDE, offering AI-powered coding support. Get intelligent code completions, generate full functions from comments, create unit tests, and debug with ease. It provides contextualized responses with source citations, ensuring transparency and reliability. But remember, always validate your code to ensure accuracy. Both standard and enterprise versions offer powerful features designed to enhance your coding experience. Code completion and generation in multiple IDEs, Cloud Shell Editor, Cloud Workstations, JetBrains IDEs like IntelliJ and PyCharm, and of course, VS Code. Plus, there's a conversational assistant for real-time coding support. Then, multi-IDE support for seamless integration. Right-click Smart Actions to refactor, debug, or improve your code. Quick command execution using the / command. Source citations for transparency, IP indemnification for enterprise-grade security, and VPC-SC and private Google access for enhanced compliance. With Gemini Code Assist, you can rest assured that all referenced code comes with proper source citations. Plus, the enterprise security features are designed to protect your data at every step. For enterprise users, Gemini Code Assist takes AI-powered development to the next level with exclusive features. Enjoy customized code suggestions from your GitHub and GitLab repositories, tailored to meet your enterprise needs. In an enterprise context, creating APIs is crucial. With Gemini Code Assist, you get an enhanced experience through Smart Search, powered by Vertex AI. Plus, you benefit from Gemini-powered explanations for Apigee policies, making API management more intuitive and efficient. Imagine having an AI-assisted visual editor that generates automation flows with ease. Gemini Code Assist brings enterprise context-aware AI automation to the table, and to top it off, it provides generative AI documentation for your automation flows, ensuring everything is well documented and easy to understand. When it comes to BigQuery, Gemini Code Assist offers powerful tools for SQL and Python code assistance, including generation, completion, and explanation. This feature is especially useful for analytics code, assisting you in querying large data sets efficiently and accurately. With Gemini Code Assist, you have a comprehensive data canvas for transforming and visualizing data. Plus, you get pre-validated SQL queries that enhance your data analysis process. Experience seamless Python code generation and completion within Jupyter Notebooks, making your coding tasks much more efficient. Simply write in natural language to generate SQL queries. Get optimized contextual code that perfectly aligns with your schema. Generate, refactor, and debug Firebase code with natural language prompts. Use deep AI-driven knowledge for Firebase best practices. Summarize crashes and provide troubleshooting insights. Analyze existing code to identify issues and suggest improvements. With Gemini Code Assist, developers can code smarter, debug faster, and deploy confidently. Whether you're an individual coder or a large enterprise, Gemini helps you innovate effortlessly. Subscribe now to stay at the forefront of the AI revolution as it unfolds. We bring you the latest AI innovations even before they are available to the public.